red shoes. Oh my God, everybody. Black Velvet's here. She landed on my AC. Oh my God, guest of honor. Hello, Black Velvet. How are you? Welcome. Or, you probably already came here before, didn't you? Wow, look at you. You really are all black velvet with your red shoes. Amazing. Let Black Velvet eat. Let her eat. Or him eat. I don't know if she's a her or him. Black Velvet. You're amazing, Black Velvet. Yeah. You're amazing. Yeah. A lot of people like you. Yeah. A lot of people like you, Black Velvet. Whoa.